Hello all, myself is Vishnu M. Today I am here to represent one of the project which is based on understanding the socio-economic and demographic trends, where I will be explaining my key findings or valuable insights, in-depth analysis of the comprehensive and socio-economic trends which is happening in day-to-day life in collaboration with CloudyML team. Basically, this data set offers a valuable insights into the diverse characteristics and profiles of individual within our study population. The main objective of the analysis is to drive insights that contribute to a deeper understanding of socio-economic dynamic facility, evidence, decision-making, and ultimately driven positive societal impact through informed and policies and interventions. So, our dataset overview is based on the demographic data, what we are going to represent, and the attributes like age, uh, education, employment, income, status of living, uh, household compensation, migrations, and the pattern and the working culture of the people, the place we are going to stay, and the in yearly income what they are getting. So based on these attributes or the columns, I employed advanced data analysis techniques, including descriptive statistics, data visualization, EDA, and also perform data cleaning. So let us try to go in-depth analysis of understanding the socio-economic demographics trends. So a small overview of this data was the major goal was to predict the socio-economic and demographic data of US population and extracting the actionable insights which helps us to make decision making, and it contains more the attributes contains more informations like the work culture of the people, family dynamics, and the financial status, whether they are rich or poor, or the type of living they are going to do, and their personal background. And also the main objective is to perform comprehensive data analysis, understanding the patterns, trends, and correlations of within the data, whether the age or the income, whether it is correlated. So such kind of valuable insights we are taking from the stakeholders, or we are getting from the data, from the value from the data. So this is something the overview of the data. So understanding the objectives of the data is mainly of understanding the demographic trends, what kind of trends the people are getting. So gaining insights from demographics like the age distribution, marital status, and the gender, concentrating on target, which helps us to make target marketing, policy planning, and also resource allocations. Identifying employment patterns also will make a huge impact for demographics data, like occupations, industries, and their income level, what kind of livings they're going to do, and accessing their education qualification. So whether they are degree holders or whether they have gone for schoolings, whether they have done their schoolings. So I think this kind of things will make a huge impact. So when it comes to analysis, the demographic data with respect to age, we can see that it is forming a bimodal distributions where the average age group of people is around 35 years of age, and so the minimum age is around 0 years, means we are taking the value of newborn babies also, and maximum age is it has gone up to 90 years. So we can, from this we can make a conclusion that the average age is around 35 years. And with respect to marital status, around 43% of people are not married, and 42.2% married civilian spouse percent, 6.4% people are divorced, and 5.2% widowed, and 1.4% people are separated. So basically, this gives us the marital status, whether the what kind of the living culture they are going to make, uh, whether we want to concentrate more on married person or unmarried person, making different kind of marketing strategies. So based on this, we can analyze that the income level of the person with respect to their marital status, almost around divorced people, around in the marital status of divorced, around less than 50K US dollars, getting around 11,644 people, and around 1066 people are getting more than 50K US dollars per annum. Similarly, never married people around less than 50K are getting around 1422 people, and more than 50K around 1117. And marital status, which are both separated, variety of reasons, uh, almost 85,368 people are getting income of less than 50K, and around 158 people are getting more than income more than 50K. And in widowed section, we can see that around 10133 people are getting less than 50K, and more than 50K, we can see around 330 people. So gender distribution goes like this as follows. We can see a balanced data when compared to female and male. Okay. Almost, yeah, we can say 52.1% female distribution, means we can say that female distribution or the count of females are high when compared to male. So male distribution is around 47.88%. With respect to working or work culture, what the people are going, almost 50.2% people are not working, or they may be children who is less than 18 years of age. Around 36.1% are working in private sectors, and 4.2% of people are self-employed, and 3.9% people works in as a local government, and remaining are unworked, or they may have some issues. Uh, Hourly rate with respect to the type of working and with respect to the gender status, we can see that female are getting more when compared to male. Around 60 plus USD hourly pay rate are getting for females, and around 40 plus USD are getting for male based on the hourly rate. And the income distribution is, we can see that it is both unbalanced. Almost 90% of the household people having income less than 50,000. So from this, we can make that most of the people are getting less than 50,000 USD, so that their working culture and life culture will be different when compared to that 10% of the people. With respect to education level, we can see that what kind of hourly pay rate they are going to get, means people who are graduated or who are having an associate degree, I can see that they are getting a pay rate of 120 plus US dollars. And people who have went to college but don't have degree, they are getting a pay of around 90 USD. And people who have completed their high schoolings, they are getting around 85 USDs. And people completing bachelors are getting around 60 plus USDs. With bachelors, it may be in the domain like BA, BS, or BSc. So these are all the my key valuable detailed analysis from the data. So in a summary, we can able to find out the summary of this findings is mainly based on, first thing is on age distribution. The data exhibits a diverse age distribution, means we can see that almost from newborn baby to almost an old age people are falling in this range. And we can see that around 35% of the people are mean, sorry, average age is lying between 35 years. So almost the people who are at the teenage, not teenage, exactly not teenage, but it can be around middle-aged people or 35 age. Yeah, it's middle-aged people are mainly following the mean distribution. And the class of workers, if we go into it, they are working in variety of domains, like it can be in private sectors, government, or people are also self-employed. Based on the education level, like we can see that there are majority of the people working as an associates, or even people who have graduated but they didn't went to college. Okay, people also completed their schoolings and also getting their I package, I pay rate. And with respect to marital status, we can see that mm, mostly married people or unmarried people which are having the less than 50K revenue are getting more importance. So as a conclusion, the analysis of this socio-economic and demographic data reveals that insights of the composition and the characteristics of the data sets. So which helps us in finding out the targeted audiences and promoting economic mobility, and also helps to inclusive growth across diverse demographic groups. And it helps us to make informed decision and strategic intervention that benefits individuals and communities. So in a this is the final part of it. And a special thanks to Akash Raj sir and the CloudyML team for providing a beautiful hackathon based on data analysis. Thank you.